Hi there, Jesse over here at EC Auto Repair. Wanted to have a conversation with you real quick, let you know about something that we're doing differently here in 2024. Um, we started this last year, kind of played with it. We're going to get more dedicated to it, but whenever you choose EC Auto Repair as your shop to take care of your vehicle, we're not here just to fix your vehicle. We're here to provide you transportation solutions, whatever that looks like. I have an outcome to be able to keep your vehicle in a reliable condition that it'll serve you well for many years to come and many miles to come. So you come in, you spend $500 or more with us, we're going to actually give you your next oil change for free. That's one of the promotions that we got going on this summer. Another promotion that we got going on in 2024 is we're going to do a refer a friend. So you come in, you get an oil change done on your car, and you like the experience, you like us, and you want to tell your friend that's never been here before all about us, we're going to actually give you a referral card. We're going to give your friend that you referred a free oil change. They're going to come in and they're going to have the same great experience, and that's just one of the ways that we can give back to the community. What that does for you is you're going to get a referral credit. We're going to put that on your account. You'll be able to use it on future oil changes, repairs, tires, brakes, whatever your car is going to need, whatever we can help you with. We have more exciting stuff coming down the pike, but there's a couple of things that I can show you and talk to you about because we got those in motion right now. Come on down.